everyone, I hope you are all well. So today I'm going to show you how to make a gelatin protein treatment. So it's DIY, it's cheap, win-win, and also it kind of like brings your curls back, it kind of bounces it back. So especially if you feel your hair is a bit like mashy, a bit soft, definitely do that treatment. It's got gelatin though, so obviously it's not suitable for vegetarians or vegans, but if you're not vegetarian or vegan, definitely do that. Also, if you don't follow the method properly, it's still great to do it, because it's amazing for your hair, it's very healthy, and you will definitely feel benefits out of it. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do it now. Okay, so this is all you need for your gelatin protein treatment, plus hot water, which I'm gonna be boiling in a second. Obviously gelatin, NACG approved conditioner. I do like actually using Garnier papaya, but obviously just pick your favorite one. And apple cider vinegar, also called ACV in our CG world. Why apple cider vinegar? Well, because it makes the right pH level for the protein to bond to your hair. If you don't have it, or if you feel like you don't need it, obviously you can skip this part, but I am gonna be using it. Now, you've got two options. Either you can add less water and more conditioner. This option is great if you want the treatment to be kind of more moisturizing, and also if you're not really sure how your hair is going to be reacting to protein. Or option number two, which is the one that I'm going to be using today, you can add more water and less conditioner if you want it to be more kind of protein based. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be doing option number two, also because I'm going to be using only moisturizing products straight after. So let's do it. Okay, we need a here we are, 1 tablespoon roughly that, maybe a bit more, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, then a little dash of water. Maybe I can add a bit more. I'll add a bit more. Just a sec. That will be perfect. And start mixing it. So now, if you want obviously it to be more moisturizing, just add a tablespoon of your favorite conditioner, but because I want it more protein based, I'm just going to be adding literally just that, but if you want it more moisturizing, obviously just add a bit more and less water. Now it's coming nicely together. Okay, and literally just a dash of ACV, literally just a dash. Perfect, and just keep stirring it. Good. Nice. And now you're all set to use it. Yay! is the amount I just got out. I'm sure it's gonna be more anyway when I'm washing my hair later. But so for now, you basically just kind of do this and just put it under a shower cup. This way, doesn't matter. Right, there. And ideally put like a heated towel on top of that. You can leave it for like 20 minutes up to 1 hour. I'm gonna leave it there for 30 minutes, then rinse it out and literally just follow with my routine, like low pull. I'm gonna be adding conditioner as well, but you can skip conditioner and just do leave-in and then styling, totally up to you. Personally, I'll be just using moisturizing products after that, but if you still feel like that you can handle a bit more protein, make sure you're gonna have just the smallest sizes, which is in amino acids or peptides. So go for those ones if you feel brave enough. But I'm just gonna have literally just the moisture ones. And yeah, and later I'm just gonna show you how it turned out. Okay, I think it turned out pretty well. Look at that, little spirals, hello. Yeah, I like that. So I left it for 30 minutes, then rinsed it out and just followed with my normal routine. And I'm gonna list the products in the description so you can see what I used. You can also use a bit more protein if you feel like your hair really needs it. I would just do the smallest size, as I already said before. And also, if you're not sure, maybe just try the rice water rinse first, because it kind of simulates the protein, so you can see how your hair would actually react to the real protein, if you know what I mean. Anyway. So I'm going to be posting more videos, so if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I've got Instagram that it's called Healthy Curls Now, and I've got a website that I'm going to just put the link here, so I've got a few articles there. Yeah, check it out. Get in touch with me if you've got any questions, and I'll make sure that I'll come back to you, and I'll see you soon.